Are you a bank executive or finance executive looking for ways to learn, understand financial ratio analysis, cash flow analysis, and fund flow analysis? Are you finding it difficult to understand the concept of working capital and its related banking products like cash credit, overdraft, letter of credit, bank guarantee? Are you really puzzled in learning and understanding term loan, DSCR, break even, sensitivity analysis? Then this workshop is for you. 8 hours marathon, free live workshop on banking credit analysis this Sunday morning 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Yes, you heard it right. It's free of cost, 8 hours live workshop this Sunday. I'll be hosting this workshop on Zoom and it will also be streamed live in YouTube. You can attend this workshop from the very comfort of your home. And if you are really serious about learning, improving your on the job skills, then this is an amazing opportunity for you. Do have a notepad and pen alongside to take note of key discussions, and we'll catch up on Sunday morning 9:30 a.m. Registration link given below.